Welcome back, everyone. All right, we just finished reading One at a Time, and I hope you enjoyed that story. It's very meaningful, right? All right, now we're gonna go into the Q&A section. You know what we're doing here. You know what to do. Answer the questions as you now know the story yourself. All right, see you in class. What is the name of this story? You know this. The story's name is One at a Time. Now, what was the author doing as he's telling this story? He was walking down a beach. Was the author walking down the beach in the morning? No, he was walking down a beach at sunset. Sunset. Sunset is when the sun is setting. That's my favorite part of the day. Was that beach a quiet spot? Quiet. Was it quiet? No, the beach was crowded with people on that day. What did a boy do that attracted the author? The boy kept picking up something and throwing it out into the water. He was throwing it out into the water. What was the boy throwing into the water? That was starfish that had been washed up on the beach. What does washed up mean? It means that the water carries that object from the ocean up onto the sand. Is the starfish swimming around? No, a starfish would just lay still on the beach sand. Are there starfish on the beaches of Vietnam? Have you seen starfish in Vietnam? No, there are not that many that I have seen in Vietnam.